Hey good people, welcome back to Beauty and the Frizz. My name is Kara. If you're new here, thank you so much for taking time and clicking on the video. And if you're not, thank you so much for coming back. I am excited about today's video because I am trying out some eyeshadow singles by Sydney Grace. I became really intrigued with them after I purchased the Tiny Marvels palette, which was the collaboration between Sydney Grace and Mel Thompson. I just wanted to try more. I've heard so many good things, so yeah, I wanted to give it a try myself. If you want to see the eyeshadow singles that I purchased, see some swatches, and how I got these two looks right here, keep on watching this video. Don't forget to leave me some comments with what you think in the comment section, and definitely consider subscribing and joining my community. Okay, let's get started. So as I was saying, the first time I tried Sydney Grace was with their collaboration with Mel Thompson on the Tiny Marvels palette. This is it right here. I'm just not sure if the colors are, yeah, there we go. And I love this palette so much. I still love it. I think it is beautiful. I love every eyeshadow color. And, you know, I just became really curious about Sydney Grace and, you know, the other shadows and products that they had to offer. They are an indie brand. Like I love trying new makeup brands. I said that before. So I bought these Sydney Grace single shadows on August 31st because I was like, yeah, I'm about to have this no buy. So let me just go ahead and get these eyeshadows, and it'll be something to look forward to in September. But I'm gonna just go ahead and let y'all know that the no buy is over. I don't know what else to say. I mean, it really happened when Camden went missing. I talked about that in the last video, and then I made a, I don't know, a retail therapy purchase because I was stressed out, which was really an excuse, and then it was downhill from there. So I'm gonna just go ahead and be honest. And you know what, for real, I'm trying to fix this light. Now that I'm seeing how this makeup situation works, September might not be the time to have a no buy because now all of the holiday collections are starting to come out, but hopefully a lot of those will be released in October. I gotta get myself back together. All right, so anyway, I created my own little fall vibes palette using some eyeshadow singles. I did get a blush as well. I got 13 shades. So there are 8 mattes and 5 shimmers. And I just feel like this is a great fall palette. There's a blush here, and I forgot to use the blush, to be honest, so I'm gonna have to come back with that, and I'm trying to make sure you guys can see it. But so when I tell you that these shades are just perfection, like they really are, they're perfect. And I don't know, lately I have been really into the cool tones, but I know I like warms too, so I tried to include both for the matte shades. And I mean, these shimmers, like my favorite one is this shade Tiara. I just feel like, okay, so you can see it. Look at this. Like, it is so shiny without the glitter. I mean, I think these shadows were between $5 and $6. One of the things that I did when I got ready to actually do the eye look that I have on, or the eye looks, because I did 2, even though you probably can't tell it's 2, but it is 2. I could just move these around, you know, and I love being able to move the shadows around because then you can easily see the look that you're trying to create. Now, this magnetic palette is not by Sydney Grace. They were actually sold out. I would have gotten one. This is from Amazon. I believe it was $14.99. It's got a mirror. Now, I did not use the blush. I might have said that already. This blush is the shade Melody, and I'm lying because it's not a blush, it's a highlighter. So you know what, I am going to use that, and I'm going to do it right now. Didn't realize I bought a highlighter. So let me do this highlight really fast. So again, this is the shade Melody, and let's just see. Oh yeah, okay. I don't know why I thought I bought a blush. Why would I think this was a blush anyway? You know why I thought that? Because it's 9 o'clock at night, and I've been up since 5 o'clock. That's why I thought that. I do think this is really pretty. Okay. Yeah, I like this a lot. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and get into these two fall eye looks. I can't tell you how surprised I am that I'm starting to gravitate toward these cool tones. And I'm not really good with undertones, but I believe my undertone is neutral. So I could go either way. And I know some people feel like they can't, but I feel like you should just wear whatever you want. That's just how I feel. So anyway, I don't want to hold y'all. So let's get into the swatches and into these two looks. All right, let's go.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't let. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, forget I'm made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't let. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain.
Okay, I only put one little bit of this, I think this is the Tiara shade, on my finger. Just that, one little bit. It's not wet. Like, I don't need to put any more on here. If I put any more on, I'm just being extra, which is fine. So overall, Sydney Grace, I will definitely be ordering more eyeshadows. I love every single color. I love every single color. But I think my two favorites in the entire palette that I created was the shade Thunderbird, which is this, I don't know what you want to call it, but it's like a gray blue. And I probably had some type of dramatic reaction in my swatch section of the video. My second favorite shade is the shade Tiara, or Tiara, however you say it. I say Tiara. And I don't know. For some reason, the way this shimmer is, I don't know, I just don't understand it. I've never done this before. I've never like created my own palette out of eyeshadow singles. So I am really loving this this color story. It kind of reminds me of a grungy rainbow. Like you've got a red, orange, yellow, green, you got your blues, and then, oh, no purple though, but you know what I'm trying to say. And then you've got your shimmer shades that you put on top. And when I tell you, like, these shimmers, I may have said it, I don't know, like you don't have to do anything special with them to make them work. I mean, what else can you ask for? Like, I'm about to get back on Sydney Grace right now and make me a wish list. That's how I feel. No, I'm not gonna do that. You know why? Because I need to get ready for work tomorrow. So thank you guys as always for taking some time out and giving it to me and, you know, hanging out and watching the video. I think the thing I love most is the engagement that I have with all of you that are watching. So yeah, definitely leave me some comments. I enjoy that. So, I mean, this is pretty much as good as it's gonna get for me at this time because, you know, as I keep saying, I don't go anywhere. These are my little social engagements here. So yeah, Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday for mimosas and makeup. Yeah, so those are the three things that I can pretty much count on. So, you know, hopefully you'll continue to be there. All right, you guys, as always, be kind to yourself, talk to yourself nice. Oh, make sure you're staying safe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.